Welcome back to Diaries. If you're just joining us, we are roaming through the heart of Saudi Arabia, uncovering the hidden gems of Al-Ahsa. In our previous video, my wife gave you the grand tour of the stunning King Abdullah Eco Park. But today, the energy is on a whole different level. We are headed deeper into the park to catch a massive community event hosted by King Faisal University. From local culture to student-led activities, there is so much to see. Let's get walking. As we move deeper into the event, the walkway is transformed. The lighting decorations here are absolutely stunning. It really sets a festive mood. Then we spotted this Ramadan lantern. It's mesmerizing to watch. It shifts directions, spinning clockwise, then back again. Just past the lantern, we enter this incredible light tunnel. It's actually a living history book. It showcases a timeline of King Faisal University, marking every major milestone from its founding in 1975 all the way to 2025. Even though the history is written in Arabic, you can really feel the weight of those 50 years of progress just by walking through it. Tunnel of beautifully hung lights caught our eyes. The twinkling lights looked really beautiful. Different stalls of perfumes. Honestly, pictures don't do this justice. It's a complete sensory experience. The lighting decorations turn the park into a nighttime oasis, a true masterpiece of festive decor. It's one of those moments where you just have to stop walking, look around, and soak into the atmosphere. The lighting decorations are really beautiful. It is indeed a masterpiece.
Late summer nights, we were moving through the city under broken lights. No plans ahead, just time to waste. Every little promise fading in the haze. Running through the quiet, trying not to fall. Every step reminded we don't know it all. Blow up a sign. Let it go in the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed when the world is pulling us apart now. Through the noise,
This part of the park had stores of different clothing items. One of the best parts of these community events is the people you meet. Tucked among the stalls, we came across a gentleman all the way from Oman. He introduced us to some traditional Omani perfumes, and let me tell you, the scent is absolutely incredible. It's deep, rich, and carries that unmistakable essence of the region. There is nothing like a beautiful fragrance to instantly transport you to another place. Here he was telling me about the perfumes that he had introduced us to. Okay, let's walk together and continue soaking in these beautiful experiences together.
Someone to lean on. Someone to lean on. Someone to lean on. Just someone to lean on.
Best parts of these community events is the people you meet. Earlier on, we met a man from Oman. If you are looking for a piece of Al-Ahsa to take home, this was the place. We met a talented lady whose door was pegged with character. She had everything: beautifully decorated mugs, traditional jewelry, and even some really creative fridge magnets, tiles, and a lot of things, key holders. It's impossible to walk past a display like this without wanting to pick everything up. These aren't just items, they are memories you can carry with you.
Let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed when the world is pulling us apart now. Through the noise, through it all I want is someone to lean on. When the days change and the nights grow cold, will we trace the same old feelings or let them fold? If the lights fade, if the road bends wrong, would you stay here in the silence till the fear is gone? Every second heavy, like it's hard to breathe. All these unanswered moments hanging over me. Lower sign, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed when the world is pulling us apart now. Through the noise, through it all I want is someone to lean on. 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 Just someone to lean on.
Now,
Do you recall?
everything tonight has been incredible, but we have saved the best for last. The art display is easily the highlight for us. Just look at these pieces. Look at the artwork.
Every little promise.
Look at the expression. Look at the ballerina.
Look
at the cover. Aren't they stunning? The talent here at King Faisal University is just on one another level. You can really see the passion in every brush stroke. What a perfect way to conclude our work. Then we spotted a board of lollies, and my sweet tooth immediately kicked in. But there was a catch. They weren't for free. You had to toss rings. Only if you hooked one would you claim your prize. Of course, me being me, I had to give it a go. 3 rings, 3 shots, and 3 total misses. We walked away empty-handed with our sweet tooth still very much unquenched. Better luck next time, I guess.
Here in the silence till the fear is gone. Every second heavy, like it's hard to breathe. All these unanswered moments
Thank you,
hanging
KFU,
over me.
organizing such an incredible event. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.